Hello and welcome to today's podcast. Today, we're going to talk about something that's hurting our oceans, ghost nets. So what are ghost nets? These are fishing nets that have been lost, thrown away, or abandoned in the ocean. Even though they're not being used, they still cause big problems. These nets continue to trap sea animals like fish, turtles, and even birds. The trapped animals can get hurt or even die, and the nets just keep catching them long after they're thrown away. It's like a ghost that still causes trouble. But the problem doesn't stop there. Ghost nets are also really bad for the environment. They get tangled in coral reefs, which are home to many ocean creatures. This can break the reefs and harm the entire ecosystem. As the nets break down, they release dangerous chemicals into the water, making the pollution worse. Ghost nets can even block fish from moving freely or finding food, upsetting the balance of life in the ocean. Here's a shocking fact. Ghost nets are responsible for nearly half of the plastic waste in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, which is one of the biggest areas of plastic waste in the ocean. That's a huge problem, but the good news is we can do something about it. So, what can we do? Well, there are easy ways we can help. First, we can support groups that are working to clean up these nets from the ocean. Many organizations organize cleanup events at beaches or work to pull the nets out of the sea. You can get involved by joining these events or donating to the cause. If you live near the coast, you can also join local beach cleanups. Removing trash from beaches stops more ghost nets from reaching the water. It's a simple way to make a big difference. Another thing we can do is spread the word. Not everyone knows how dangerous ghost nets are. So, talk to your friends, family, and even people who work in fishing about the problem. Let them know how important it is to properly dispose of fishing nets and use safer materials. Here's something interesting. Some scientists and fishermen are using special tools like sonar to find and remove ghost nets from the ocean. They are even using drones and other technologies to track where the nets are. It's amazing how technology can help solve this problem. Also, some companies are working on making fishing nets that are better for the environment. These new nets are biodegradable, which means they break down in the ocean, so they don't last forever like the old ones. If more fishermen use these new nets, we could see less damage from ghost nets. Here's the key thing. We all have a role to play. The small things we do can help. Whether it's joining a cleanup, telling people about ghost nets, or supporting better fishing practices, we can all help protect our oceans. So, what can you do today? If there's a cleanup event in your area, join it. If you see any trash on the beach, pick it up and make sure it doesn't end up in the ocean. Talk to others about the dangers of ghost nets and share the information you've learned today. By doing these small things, you're helping to protect marine life. Before we end, here's one more fun fact. Ghost nets can even get caught in boats or destroy important underwater habitats. That's why it's so important to remove them and stop them from drifting around in the ocean. Thank you so much for listening. Remember, the ocean needs our help, and every action counts. If we all work together, we can protect marine life and make the world a better place. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to do your part to protect the ocean. See you next time.